How to use voice typing on Google Docs. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Google Docs is free but powerful cloud-based text editor with many advanced features. So if you prefer speaking instead of typing, you might be interested in voice typing. So here's how you can do it. Go to docs.google.com and then open a document right over here. Now click on the Tools menu in the top left corner of the screen, and from the drop-down menu, click on Voice Typing, that is just below the Translate Document option. Click on it. Now the microphone icon will appear in your document. Make sure to check the language above the microphone icon as well, and if you need to change the language, click on the drop-down menu and you'll be able to do it. So when the voice typing is active, the microphone icon will turn red. You may need to grant permission for the Google Docs to access your microphone if prompted. Click on Allow. And if the icon does not turn red or if you see an error message, check your browser's permissions. In the Chrome, click on the lock icon on the left side of the address bar and ensure that it indicates Allow next to the microphone setting. And if that's not the problem, check your system's microphone setting or ensure no other app is using your microphone. So once the microphone icon is red, start speaking clearly at a normal volume to type by voice. You can say punctuation marks, comma, exclamation point, and question mark. Note that while voice typing supports many languages, punctuation may not be available in all of them. You can turn voice typing on and off by holding down the Control and Shift keys and then pressing S. And this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.